Welcome to our factory facility in Hamilton, just outside Glasgow, where we manufacture 5 automatic door systems in-house and produce up to 5,000 doors per year. At the start of the process is our saw and machinery area, where we have the capacity to cut all raw materials to size quickly and accurately. Here you can see our state-of-the-art CNC machine, which provides extremely accurate and high-quality machining. Using the latest software, our CNC machine significantly increases our output capability, has reduced cycle times, and safeguards production against the risk of machine downtime. Our ability to paint in-house alleviates the need for an external painter, giving us full control of all planned works from start to finish. And with the capacity to paint profiles up to 4,500mm long in over 200 standard RAL colours, we can design and colour doors to suit any brand or project. Our inline quality inspection at the end of this process ensures extremely high paint finishes are guaranteed. The final assembly area is where we fit all components to the door, test locks and build frames to ensure doors are ready built to save valuable installation time for our customers. The final stage involves finishing the doors with single or double glazed panes. This is where we prepare and pack the doors before leaving the factory, ensuring on-site work focuses on the installation. Each door goes through a rigorous quality and inspection process at each stage of the manufacturing cycle before being sent out to ensure long-lasting, robust products that will stand the test of time.